In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blind carbon copy in Gmail. Whether you're trying to protect the privacy of your recipients or just want to keep your email list confidential, knowing how to use the BCC function is essential. This process is simple and can make your email communications much more professional. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your Gmail account, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main inbox screen where you can see all your received emails. Now, the starting point for sending any email is the Compose button. You can find this button on the top left section of your Gmail interface. Give it a click and this will open up a new email window where you can start drafting your message. As you're preparing to write your email, you'll notice several fields at the top, including the typical to and subject fields. What we're focusing on today is the BCC field, which stands for blind carbon copy. The BCC function allows you to send an email to multiple recipients without them seeing the other addresses you're sending it to. This feature is particularly useful when you want to maintain the privacy of your email contacts or when sending correspondence to a large number of people who don't necessarily know each other. Now let's locate the BCC field itself. In the new message window, next to the to field, you'll see a little link labeled BCC. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It's designed to be discreet. Click on it and voila, a BCC field appears right below the to field. This tiny step is the gateway to sending confidential emails. Go ahead and click into that BCC field. You can now start entering the email addresses of the people you'd like to include in this email. You can type them in manually, or if you have the contacts saved in your Gmail, you can select them from your list as you would for any email. There's no limit to how many email addresses you can add, making it perfect for any bulk email communications you plan to send. Remember, any email address you put in the BCC field will be invisible to other recipients. This is what makes the BCC function so special and handy when privacy is at stake. Your recipients will receive the email as usual, but they won't know whom else it was sent to. Once you've added all necessary BCC addresses, craft your message as you normally would. Don't forget to include a clear subject line that conveys the purpose of your email. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, hit the send button and you're all set. And there you have it, you now know how to blind carbon copy in Gmail. This simple feature can save you a lot of time and hassle when managing emails and respecting privacy. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to stay for more Gmail tips and tricks.